Yahoo! First time playing in Beverly with the wife. Okay. Lakewood din pala. Yung lalaro natin sa Cabanatuan dapat pala. It's also Santa Lucia. Okay. Pinewoods. Oh, magaganda yung Santa Lucia. Okay. First time to play in Beverly. Registration. Shout out sa aming mga caddy. Hello. Ate, sino yung caddy ni Luigi? Yung sa lalaki ito.
Ito po.
Ikaw?
Opo.
Ano name mo, ate?
Marivic po.
Marivic. Siya, okay. Shout out. Okay lang, bablog ko tayo ha. And ate?
Susan.
Ate Susan. Ate Susan and Ate Marivic.
Hello po.
First time namin maglalaro sa
Beverly po.
Beverly. Okay. First time niya maglaro ever yung misis ko.
Opo.
So Ate Susan, assist mo na lang ha.
Opo.
Okay, let's go.
Tapos sir, register muna tayo.
Okay. Wala ka, mayroon ng tao. Kabahan ka na. Gusto mo salang paunahin?
Pwede.
Sabagay, pwede na. So starting hole number 1 with Ate Marivic.
Opo.
Ayan. Ate, anong aim natin?
In po sa gitna po.
Yun may stick na yun.
Opo.
Okay, for hole number 1 is par 5. Alright, so hole number 1 for the from the blue tees it's 513 yards. So for the wife it's 443. Okay lang. Shasha is still left with 200. Oh, kaya huwag mo masyadong pwersa in love. Nandyan yung green. It's okay. Well, ang ganda pa rin ng patama mo, layo pa rin, oh. Nice shot.
It's supposed to be higher.
It's okay.
And farther.
150, so there is trouble pala in front. 150 yards. Palong 130 na lang. Pero pitching na lang, ate. So I need to lay up. So this is Beverly's first hole. So no idea, pero sabi ni ate, meron the water in front. So it's 150 before the water. To go to the green, it's 250. So just laying up with the pitching wedge. Saan ang aim natin, ate? Yung bunker?
Sa diretsyo mo na lang, sir.
Nung bunker na to?
Opo.
Okay.
Good shot!
Pang videographer pala talaga si ate. Kunin nyo, 143. Kaya pala lahat good shot. Tubig siya, ate.
80, sir.
80 yards. Just aim for the bunker, love. Aim for that bunker in front of you. Pero we're just playing safe right before the water.
I will try.
It's okay. Okay lang yun.
How come I'm not able to lift?
Kasi hindi ka naman naglalaro talaga. Okay lang yun. Okay, still left with 120 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Although feeling ko short yun. Mali yata. Dapat yata pitching wedge. Pero bahala na.
Backpin tayo, sir eh.
Oo nga. Dapat yata pitching. Pero okay na to.
3 on! On! Okay, very good. 3 on.
Natawid mo lang ba? Galing ah. Oh yun, galing. Good shot.
Galing niya. Okay, Susan tayo.
First time niya sa bunker. I think if ever si Shasha is hitting 4th shot or on a 530 yard par 5. Okay lang, patong. Angat. Good shot. Good shot. Almost. Galing. Ginulungan niya yung bunker. Ting for birdie. 9 pieces. Diretso na bigay mo?
Opo.
Walang plus, may plus 1?
Kung na lang po yan, isang bola lang sa kaliwa.
Isang bola sa kaliwa. Sige ate, ako na mag-aim.
Sige po.
Ako na magtuto.
Uy! Napalaki mo. Yan, nice par.
Her first official hole.
Too much in the right, ma'am. Okay, close mo.
Baliktad. To your left. Yan.
Dito ka pa mo.
Yan.
Yan, okay.
Okay. Pasok! Nice spot! First official hole! Eh, thank you Ate Susan! Good job! Kinabahan? Ate Susan, thank you! Okay.
Si Ate Susan yung ini-impress ko eh.
Uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo.
Pwede na.
Pwede na umuwi. Tapos na isang butas.
Ayun yung drawing.
Hole number 2, playing 180 yards. With the wind ba? Okay, 180 yards.
Center
Set
tayo,
lang.
sir.
Currently even par. Sa likod at saka sa gilid.
Sa likod, left lang po.
Left lang.
Good shot! On! Oh, labas lang konti sa green.
Okay, hole number 2. From the blue tees, it's 180. Sa red tees, 115. May trouble sa left side, which is water hazard. Flat nga lang talaga siya.
Tama yung line.
Galing, napapalipad mo.
Yung time na lang po. Hit ka lang.
It's okay. Okay lang yung love. Wait. Dito Ate Marivic. Left to right?
Yan, opo.
26 yards. Mabilis ang green ano? Ayos lang.
Okay lang po yan.
Regular lang. Tirang 20. Okay.
Kaliwa sana.
Sobrang kanan. Okay, I have this par putt. Left to right ate. Oh.
Kanan yan, sir.
Oh, ngayon damo pa right to left.
Isang
Isang cup pa rin.
pa yan.
Isang bola lang. Okay. May pasok. Nice putt. Practice mo lang lang.
Okay.
Hina Luigi. Ay, bogey.
Shoot. Okay.
Bogey. Hina. Duwag. How are you? Enjoy? Mainit.
Hindi.
Hindi enjoy? Hindi.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Okay, good. Yay. Okay. Okay, hole number 3. Currently, I am 1 over 254 yards. Baka sobra yung driver ate. Saan ba yung bola? Ay, saan ba yung pin?
Left tayo, sir.
Padala na lang ng 3 wood. 250 lang ba?
Okay, exact lang to, sir.
Siguro. Okay, si siya is aiming for that red stick. GOR stick. Yun! Good shot. Yan, sakto sa GOR, oh. Oh. Tsaka layo, ah. Good shot, love. Salamat. Windows. Ito. Di ba bunker to? Tapos bunker sa may green. Aim for that middle na fairway. To the flag, it's 110 pa. Mga ganyan. 120. Kasi it's uphill. Okay lang. Needed to take a drop. Landed sa water. So playing my third shot. Hopefully up and down for a par. Slightly left to right ba to ate?
Opo, left.
40 yards silang mga 30. Ay naku, ilalim.
Nice shot.
Isha's third shot. Hilig niya sa bunker ah. Terrible approach. One grip left to right. Okay, bunker ulit siya. Ako, I'm putting for
Kaliwa yan, sir. Bangka.
bogey, left to right. 11 paces. Good out! Ganda naman nun! Nice out! Okay. Ano bigay mo? Isang cup sa kaliwa?
Opo.
Sumobra ka lang ng konti sa kaliwa. Yan! Alright, go! Pasok ulit! Pasok ulit! Ah, lakas lang. Malakas lang. Pero good putt, good putt. Practice mo yan lang. Dadaanan mo lang. Okay lang yan. Bawal. Okay lang. Literal na hinatid, tinulak. Okay, hole number 4, playing par 3. 210 yards? Talaga ba?
170 lang ito, sir.
170. Okay. It's playing 170 yards pero with the wind. So, I'm hitting an 8 iron. Walang trouble dito ate. Itong tubig lang.
Wala po.
Okay.
Good shot! Nice on! Par 3! Okay! Nice on!
Okay siya. 100 yards. Ganda! Wow! Patong! For birdie! Wow! Love, if ever first birdie chance mo. Good shot! Oh, iuwi ka na ate Susan sa Maynila niyan. Galing ni siya oh. Putting for birdie. Her first official birdie. She's even closer than me. Galing oh. Galing. Okay, birdiehin nyo ha. Birdie, birdie. Okay. Siya mabilis yan ha. Pero wag mo naman sobrang hinaan. Okay. We are both putting for birdie. Ako I'm 7 paces. Mukhang it's left to right. No, ate. Birdie! Ay, malakas! Sayang. You are now a golfer. Okay. First official par. Mahina! Sayang. Mabilis to ate.
Regular lang po.
Yun, good.
Yung putter mo, sir, ilip mo lang konti. Yan, birdie siya. Shoot! Hey! Oh, yes!
Okay, hole number 5. Currently, I am 2 over. 390 yards. So, it's diretso lang naman. Pero yan, the pin is on the right. Yan. That's the green out to the right.
Yan.
Okay, so Shah is still left with 170 yards. Hindi, parang iron. Yeah. Or a little front of, ano, a little towards your left foot. Okay lang. Bumabagsak lang yung kamay mo eh. Pero okay lang yan. Malayo yung gulong. Okay, I'm left with 143 yards to the flag. It's downwind. So I'm just hitting a pitching wedge.
On!
Tama na. Ay, laki ng talbog.
Lumampas konti.
Laki ng talbog. Dry na dry. Okay, I landed over the green. 25 yards to the flag. Ano to ate, kaliwa?
Opo.
Left to right?
Right po yan.
Right to left. Okay, right to left. 20 yards. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Lakas. Buti nilang shoot. Nice putt. Galit na galit ka sa flag ah. Good patlab. Hole number 6. To our right is NLEX. Yan, the wife. Okay, hole number 6. From the blue tees, it was 290 yards. Sa reds, it's 220. And so there's water in front of the green. Forced layup, we are not allowed to use driver. So just to lay up, it's 180 yards. So para
Nice shot.
ganda! Wow! Ate Susan, caddy / coach. Galing. Ay, shot love. So, Ate Susan?
I have to square my shot.
So, how are you? How's your first round ever?
I'm okay. It's hot.
Oh, mainit nga dito kasi walang mga puno. Pero at least nakaka-shoot ka na. Tsaka lumilipad golf ball mo. I am left with 120 yards to the flag. Downwind. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Good shot. Nice on.
Okay, siya left with 100 yards to the flag. Sakto lang. Galing! Wow, for birdie! Yun! Yeah! Patong! Good shot! Good shot natin! Galing ah! For birdie ulit! Galing, galing! Uy, andito na pala! Birdie ulit! Galing ah! Talo pa! Alright, so hole number 7. Playing 343 yards. Diretso lang siya. Okay, hitting. Driver to ate, no? Okay, driver. Aim for yun. Nasaan ba yung flag? Yun nakita ko. So aim tayo sa kaliwa ng bunker.
Opo.
Okay. Right. Okay lang. Layo yan. Doon ka, you were aiming there. So sakto lang. Oh, ganda. Layo oh.
Yung lipad.
Siya, second shot. Mga 150 yards pa siya to the flag. Ako I'm 120. Hitting a 56-degree wedge ulit. Ganda. Ganda ng patama. Nice shot, love. Napapalipad mo. No. Right before. Ang galing, oh. Napapalipad na niya. Okay.
May coach ako eh.
Nice shot.
Kay Susan tayo.
Nice shot, nice shot. Ay, kabig.
On. Patong.
Shasha's third shot. She's around 50 yards to the flag. Hopefully, hindi naman na siya pumunta sa bunker. Patong pa rin! Patong pa rin! Good shot! Lumagpas lang ng konti. Okay. Gano'n kalaki sa...
Sir.
Gano'n kalaki sa kanan ate?
Kalahating grip. Ito.
Okay. Oo. Parang yung dumi na yun, yung sa parang discoloration na yun, ano? Kung 14, tirang 15, plus 1.
Opo.
Uphill pa. Tuloy-tuloy uphill.
Downhill, uphill.
Pero may plus 1 o regular lang?
Hindi na masyadong regular, sir.
Mabagal na konti.
Mabagal kasi yung gitna eh.
Hindi na naman bumali. Pero medyo nagkanan, nagsimula ako sa kanan, ano? Okay ng par. Okay, putting for bogey. Bogey! Nice bogey! Nice one! Okay, hole number 8, par 3. Hole number 8, last 2 holes of the front 9. It's playing 100... Teka, check ko. Okay, playing 145 yards against the fan. Too short ang pitching wedge, so I'm hitting a 9 iron. Galing ng wife ko, parang hindi first time mag fairway. May mga putting birdie na siya, dalawa. Okay. Ay, kaliwa pa rin, naka-beach. Right. Settle. Tama na. Okay lang. Hindi.
Tips lang minsan.
Oh. Sayang. Pulled my tee shot. Landed left of the green. Uphill, downhill. 21 yards. It looks like it's left to right. So pag mga gantong grass, what I realized, and also if it's this dry, it's better to just bump and run with a pitching wedge instead of my 60-degree wedge. Si Shasha, still 60, pitching na lang ate, bump and run na lang. Kaliwa to di ba?
Opo.
Malaki.
Isang grip. Lahat eh.
Ganun kalaki lang. Wow! Nose out! Pero galing, napapalipad ah. Mamadali ako yan. Okay, Shas, third shot. Ito na no? Para mabilis. I have this spot for my par. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa?
Huwag ball lang yun, sir.
Isang bola. Hindi nakinig. Okay, so hole number 9, it's playing 230 yards. Pero it's against the wind pala. Against the wind eh, no? Against the wind. Baka pwede. Pero may tubig sa likod. Eh, bahala na, hybrid na lang. Okay, hitting hybrid. Bahala na si Batman. Bunker. Tawid pero bunker. Yun. Okay lang. First donation. Boom!
Lagyan mo ng effects mo agad.
Okay. Nakapag-donate ka na. Golfer ka na talaga. Okay. Okay lang. Alam mo bakit? Nag-left ka pero yung club face mo. Sayang. Just landed left of the green bunker. 18 yards to the flag. Okay, I have 15 paces for my birdie. It looks like it's right to left. Tapos si Shasha is putting for maybe for par. Basta important she's enjoying. Go! Mahina parate. Okay, 15 paces for my birdie. Ay, hindi bumalik.
Par!
Yun! Yun oh, end over end. Ang bilis baka pick up, di ba? Isang sabi lang.
Shoulder lang.
Oo, shoulder lang. Good. Good shot. Hole number 10 na pala. So currently I am 4 over or 5 over. 10 is 351 yards. Dog leg left, no? Okay. Pwede saan ako mag-aim ate Marivic? Sa kanan ng diretso ng bunker na to sa kaliwa? Itong
Nakita po sa may stick.
okay. Ito, kunin nyo na kadi oh. Si Ate Susan, ang galing magturo.
Ate Susan.
Shout out ka naman Ate Susan. Na-conscious tuloy. Na-conscious.
Nawala tuloy.
Magkasunod sila. 143 at saka 142. Ayan, magaling din si Ate Marivic. Magaling mag-video at saka magbasa. Okay. Yun. Solid.
I went to the right.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Magkadikit tayo. Ayaw maghiwalay. Good shot. Ayan. I'm left. Press kami siya. Magkadikit. 120 yards to the flag. Downwind. I will just choke a 56 degree wedge. Aim right kasi kakaliwa to. Bite. Bite mo. Bite.
Yun.
Ay, sobra pa rin.
Ay.
Hindi, okay lang. Kasi talagang mahirap yung stance mo, Labi. Ball above your feet kasi siya. Okay lang. Good shot. Nice shot. Sayang, my second shot went over. 20 yards to the flag. Slightly left to right, mabilis. Okay, give me range. Pop. Take your time. Lakas. Lakas. Hole number 11, 360 yards. Ay, 360 yards. I think the play is to aim for that tree, no? Ate, tama? Sa ibabaw ng puno na to.
Opo.
Okay. Sobrang kaliwa yata.
Good shot!
Ano yung bago mo natutunan? Grr. Ang GUR daw, grr. Okay. Hole number 12 sa Ladies Tee is 328 yards. Sa bagay. Yun! Nice shot, opa! Okay, landed 90 yards short of the flag to the pin. Slightly downwind. Hitting a full 60 degree wedge. Ay, ba't kumanan? Saka sobra. Tama na. Ay, sobra na naman. Lagi tayo sobra. Okay, I have this birdie putt just right outside of the green. Lagi sobra yung mga tira ko dito sa Beverly. Kasi nga siguro walang puno. And matigas. And mahangin. Ano kalaki sa kanan, ate, bigay mo?
Isang grip lang, sir.
Isang grip lang to. Okay. Okay, for birdie. Saan ka pa? May tindahan sila dito. Oh. Kala ko kanina guardhouse. Pakala ba na gusto mo?
Water lang.
Ano rin to? Passport pa rin?
Yes, sir.
Oh, meron pang halo-halo si ate. Hi ate! Say hi to the vlog! Kala ko security guard kanina eh. Ay, halo-halo. Mukha lang guardhouse. Okay. Ano gusto mo? Water. Okay. We are now playing hole number 12. It's a par 3. Okay, akala ko kanina par 4. From the blue tees, it's 190 yards. Hole number 12. Hole number 12 is playing 150 yards against the wind. Parang gusto ko ipalo 9 eh. Parang sobra yata 8 eh, no? Parang, let's see lang. I'll just hit a 9 iron. Aim left na lang. Ay, kaliwang kaliwa. Kapit na kapit. Right.
115, sir.
115 against the wind. Wow! Ang ganda mo patama. Parang hindi first time.
Yeah!
Nice shot! Nice shot, love. Galing! Good shot. Opa.
Opa. Anong
Good
opa?
shot.
Parang subscribe.
Okay, so super takot sa tubig. Landed left of the green. It's also still left to right. 27 yards to the flag. So mabilis. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo, ate?
2 grip, sir.
2 grip. Mabilis, ano?
Sa dulo lang po, mabilis.
Oh, pat yan. Practice lang. Oh, you can practice that lang. Ay, kumanan ka agad. Kumanan agad. Yun, okay lang yun. Okay lang pero at least hindi na sumusobra-sobra. Kasi alright, so hole number 13, playing 372 yards. Diretso, par 4. Ang aim natin, Ate Marivic, kung nasan sila. Kung saan yung golf cart. Okay.
150 stick yun, sir.
100.
Good shot! Okay, ang haba.
Wow! Okay lang. Pero layo ng drive mo. Lakas pumalo.
So wet.
Good shot! Nice shot!
Nice shot.
Okay, that was a good drive. I'm left with 70 yards to the flag. Ano to, Ate? Left to right?
Ang tangan na yun, sir.
Right to left. Okay, right to left. Tirang mga 60 or mga 55.
That's on! Okay, good shot!
Bumabagsak na yung kamay mo eh.
I think I was too close to the...
Okay lang, go. Practice lang. 7 paces, right to left. Ah, hina. Good! I have this putt for my birdie. Double break.
Opo.
Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan bigay mo?
Parating one grip, sir.
Kalahating grip?
Opo. Birdie!
Ay, bumali.
Ay, sayang!
Double break nga, no?
Opo. Par!
Ay, lakas. Okay. Hole number 14, par 5, 484 yards. So, ang aim namin sa gitna ng dalawang bunker na yan?
Opo. Kaliwa mo sa bunker po.
Kaliwa ng bunker. Okay.
Good shot!
Good shot. Nice shot. Nice shot.
That's the driver I get. Joke lang, feeling.
Oh, ganda ng patama. Ah. Good shot. Ang galing ah. Good shot, love. Good shot, Oma.
Ano, Oma?
Ako yung Opa. Okay, for the content, sabi ni Ate Marivic, go for it daw ako. Okay, papaluin ko 220 pero feeling ko short to. Kasi against the wind. Okay, sabi ni Ate Marivic, go for it. Pag na-eagle namin to, meron siyang 300 sa akin, additional. Okay. Pag hindi, siya magbabayad sa akin.
Sayang.
Pero pwede yung ipatong.
Sayang.
Pero pag nakali yun, patong yun.
Oo nga.
Sayang yung 300.
Muntik na safe yung 300 ko. Ano, ganda na kuha. Safe. Ito kunin nyo si Ate Susan, no? Tuwang-tuwa si Zarina.
The best.
Si Opa at saka si Oma. Galing magpatama. Galing, love. Para kang praktisado. Ganda. Ganda. Tama na. Huwag ka na mag-bunker. Wow. Good shot, love. Galing ah. Okay, sayang. Pin high sana. Pero just landed right off the green. So, 19 yards right to left.
Shoot! Ay! Nakaigil sana.
Okay, siya for, I think this is for her par. Wow, galing ah! Good putt! Layo ng aking up and down for birdie sana yun eh.
Left sir.
Left right ano? Left right. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa ate?
One ball lang sir.
Isang bola. Paakyat.
Opo.
Uy, malakas lang. Yun, medyo malakas yan kaya na gano'n. Nice shot. Yan ate. Lakas Luigi. Okay, hole number 15, playing 174 yards. Okay, this is a bit scary. Looks like it's an island green. 162 yards. With the wind ba? May hangin ba sa... Ay, may tubig din ba sa likod? Island ba to? With the wind pala. 160, baka sobra yung 8. No?
Okay lang to sir.
Sigurado ah. Okay, sige, 8 iron pa rin.
Eksakto sana, napalep lang. Nakayod.
Lumagpas ba?
Hindi po, eksakto lang sana sa green.
Tumama sa card pack eh.
Opo,
Yun! Patong, go! Yun na naman, pating birdie na naman siya!
Relax.
Good shot, love. Galing ah. Galing, good shot. Diba, good shot, Ate Maribik? Oh. Okay. Diba, Ate Susan, nice shot? Okay, needed to take a drop. It's 50 yards to the flag. Ano to, Ate, left to right? Okay, tirang mga 35. Kung saan yung bola na nyo, niya, parang yun yung aim.
Opo.
For her birdie. Malakas lang na konda. Oh, sayang birdie sana! Ah, sayang. O, practicein mo yan, love. Sige, parehas. Nice putt! Good bar. Oo nga, yun, nag-leap out. Malakas lang ng konti.
Malapit na lang para ma-shoot.
Hindi pa kasi kumakain eh.
Hindi ka pa nag-break nga ng fast.
3. Oo, 3 bedroom yun. Okay. Ate, saan ang aim natin?
Kanan
Yung may-
yan, sir.
Anong...
Sa may kanan sa mayroong
cart sign?
kamakitang inyog. O, yun doon.
Ah, okay. Okay. Ito. Yung, di ba may 5 bunker? Yung pangalawa sa kaliwa.
Opo.
Yan ang
Sa
aim.
gitna ng bunker.
Ganun taka mga tao. Wala, ubi. Good shot! Good shot, Oma! Nice shot. Nice shot. May fan ka na rin. Left with 105 yards to the wind. In downwind. Landed right off the fairway. Ayan si Shah. That's her tee shot. Nakukuha na niya. Siguro she's left with 90 yards to the flag. Mga tang. It's okay. Takot sa ano? Takot sa tubig. Siniguradong kanan. Yep. Yan. Or kahit half lang nun. Mabilis yung green pababa eh. Yeah. Go lang. Yan. Yun. Malakas tawa. Sakto. Bite. Okay na. Dive! Dive!
Baka mahulog.
Okay lang. Sayang yung bola. Pwede ka naman magsabon. Para sa halagang 20 pesos. Dapat dinive mo ate. Buwis buhay para sa bola. Ito ate no? Left to right?
Kaliwa yan, sir.
Okay. Mabilis. Pababa. Sakto. Ganda. Pasok! Pasok! Ay, sayang! Good spot, love. Sakto. Ay, kulang. Okay, last two holes. Hole 17, handicap 1. Layo, 570 yards. Uy, bola! Ayun. Okay, so this is the second to the last hole, handicap 1. Kasi ang layo. Okay, 570 yards. So I assume aim for the fairway. Okay lang, kanan lang. Okay lang. Good shot, Oma!
Yes, Opa.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Pa-drive mo na, love. Okay, kaya pala siya handicap 1. Ang layo pa. Nasa mga 300 pa yata yung... Tama ba yung yellow na to?
Opo.
300. Okay.
150 yan, sir. Yan.
250. Okay, so I'm just aiming for that bunker sa harap. This bunker. Laying up lang with a pitching wedge. Ganda! Patong, sige pa! Papatong ka, Oma! Ay, tama na! Ah! Bunker! Nag-celebrate agad.
Ikaw kasi,
Sayang, Oma! Oo. Okay, sayang. 150 yards. Landed on the bunker. Hitting a 9 iron.
Good shot!
Last two holes. This is hole 17. Handicap 1. Sayang, muntik ma-3-on ni siya yung handicap 1. Galing. Ay, ayun! Oh, good out! Galing ah! Good out! Nice shot. Okay, I'm chipping for birdie. Left to right to ate.
Opo.
19 yards. Okay. At least hindi ako nag-bunker. Ngayon, kinain ng damo. Hina. For par. Ay, sayang. Pero maganda. For par yun, di ba? Natural par yun. Sayang. That's good. Plus 1 siguro to na mabagal. Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo?
Isang bola yan, sir. Kaliwa.
Isang bola. 12.
Wow! Shoot!
Bogey!
Uy!
She survived! 18 holes! Okay, last hole. Grabe, ang galing. Binugi lang niya ang hole number 17. First time to play, first golf course, and handicap 1. Good job. Ang galing din ang kanyang caddy coach, Ate Susan. Number 142 of Beverly. Galing.
pala 143.
Oh, magkasunod sila eh.
143, 441.
Siya si I love me, siya si I love you. Okay. Last hole, last hole. Hole number 18. It looks like it's dogleg right. The green is here sa right side. Yan. Okay. Par 4 to ate?
Para 5 yan, sir.
Par 5. Back to back. Patapos par 5. Okay. Hitting a driver.
Good shot! Saranda!
Wow! Nice shot, Oma. Galing ah. Nice shot.
Baka masanday
Galing
ka
ah.
sa Oma.
Joke lang. Good shot, love. Galing ah. Talo mo pa ako. Ikaw na lang mag-ano. Ikaw na lang mag-vlog. Ang ganda!
Uy, ganda!
Go! Tawid! Tawid!
Ay, galing!
Ayun, tawid! Ay, ganda to. Kasi pinaim natin sa kanan eh. Pero ganda ng tama. Patong sana oh. Good shot. Good shot. Right to left. Okay, right to left. Okay. 70 yards. 80. Tirang 65, 80, 70. Mga tirang 70.
Yan. 3 on.
Tama na. Ay! Saan ka pa? Bunker. Texas wedge. Oh, marunong na lakasan mo yan, love. Bunker. Go! Nice out! Galing! Wow naman! Ang galing ah! Good! Nice shot! For par! For par? For par! O birdie! Par! Pating par! Galing ah! Kaliwa ano?
Opo.
Oo nga eh, galing. Mahina na ng konti. Okay, ito. Nice par! Oh, galing! Official! Galing ate! Mahirap yun? Okay. Mahirap yun! Promise!
Yes.
Wow.
Nice round! Ate Marivic! Shout out kay aking caddy. Maraming salamat.
Salamat,
Galing,
sir,
galing.
sa pagmamahal.
Good luck! 143 eh. 143. Good round love.
Ay, may papalo. May papalo.
Ate Marivic, pasuyo naman. Papapicture kami ni Mrs. dito.
Opo.
Good round. How was your first round?
Fun.
Nag-enjoy ka sa golf?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I made it to 18 holes.
Yeah, galing nga eh. Nice shot.